welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Jason and I do unboxings as you saw from the intro. In today's video, we are going to be doing my Ipsy versus Ipsy unboxing. I had to wait for my Ipsy Glam Bag to get here, which just got here today. So we are going to be looking at the Ipsy Glam Bag versus the Ipsy Glam Plus. If that's something that you would like to see, then keep watching. Okay, so let's just get right into these bags. I'm going to start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, if you're not familiar with Ipsy, they have 3 subscriptions. They have the Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. You get 5 sample-size products. I believe there may be 1 or 2 full-size products in there. You get to pick one of those products. And let's look and see what I got. Now, you know what you get ahead of time because either on their website or their app, it shows you what you're getting in the bag. So there's little surprise with Ipsy. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's neither one or the other for me. But anyway, they do also have a feature of add-ons, which I will go over in just a minute too. But comes in your usual pink mailer, and let's pull out what I got. All right, so this month you always get a little makeup bag with the Ipsy Glam Bag, and this month it is this, which is like a silicone or rubber see-through bag that says "Dream It" on it, which is actually, it's kind of cute. I don't mind it. It's kind of fun. All right. And they have a little card inside. On the card, it doesn't, does it actually? It does have some of the products. I wonder if these are all my products. We will see. Interesting. Okay. So the theme, like I said, is Dream It. And I can't give you unless the items are these. I can't really give you prices, but usually with the Glam Bag, since they're sample sizes, don't have prices really. So I'll do my best with this one. With the Glam Bag Plus, I can give you prices, but I have to put them when I'm editing because I'm filming on my phone and I can't look the prices up in the app. So anyway, let's get on with this. First thing is outside of the bag. So let's look at that first. It is a brush, okay? And let's see here. It's a fun brush. It's kind of like got a sparkly inside. It's very soft and firm. I like that. It's got some, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a couple little gems in the base of the brush here. That's fun. I don't know what kind of brush this is. I'm still really not good with brushes, so I don't know if these kind of bullet-shaped brushes, what they're good for really. So if you have any idea of how I can use this brush, put it in the comments below for me, please. Thank you. So that is good. That is a full-size product, obviously. So next thing we're gonna pull out is, this is Foxy Bay Daily Leave-In Hair Mask, 12-in-1 Magic. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't remember what my choice was. This has got a safety seal, so I don't want to pull that out. But I do have damaged hair, which is part of the reason I've got my little beanie on. So I'm excited to try to use this and see how this works. So good. It's a nice sample size. Next thing in here is from, let's see, Hydrate and Renew Replenishing Night Cream. Oh, I've got a ton of night creams. So, but this is the night cream here. Again, it's a good sample size. I don't know who it's by. I don't know if that's, let's see, I can't really see. Oh well, I will put it in the description or in the video when I edit, but it's, I don't have my glasses on and it's too small to read, so. There is that. Next thing I'm gonna pull out is this cleansing gel. Okay. And again, I can always use more cleansing gels. It's got a safety seal, which is good. It's again, it's a nice sample size, so far not bad. Especially since you only get to choose one of your products. Now the last item in here is Drama Bomb. This is, I'm assuming it's a mascara. And what is it? It just says Drama Bomb. So Drama Bomb here, and let's see what it looks like. Yes. So, and I do believe I saw this in that little pamphlet. So let's look and see what it says about this. This is, I think if you were to get the full size, I'm not sure if this is the full size, 1950, if I'm reading that correctly. Every now and then a mascara comes along that makes us go wow. This is one of them. For long fluttery lashes with major volume, look no further than this gravity-defying formula that lifts, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes with avocado, is it jojoba, jojoba? I'm not sure, and castor oils. If I remember correctly, I think I saw some other videos where they said this has a scent. So let's see, I'm kind of curious. Oh yeah. Oh, that's weird. It does have a scent. It's not like super strong, and it's a bigger brush, but it definitely has, oh, that's, I like the scent actually. It's just, I think it's weird to have a scented mascara. All right, well, I'm curious to try this out. I'm happy to have this. Okay, great. So that's it for the actual items in the bag. Now I did get 2 add-ons. First add-on I got was this, I didn't know it was this small, but it is Sophia and Maybell Brush Cleaner. Okay, and it's just a little round, rubbery, you know, it's got like the little bumps on it for you to rub your brushes when you're cleaning your brushes. So give that a try. I do have an actual brush cleaner that I ordered that I have not used yet, and it's got like an electric spinning device. It's a little bowl. I don't remember the name of it, but then you put the brush in the little spinning thing and put it in the bowl, and it spins and cleans the brushes that way. So when I've tried that out, maybe I'll do a video of that to show you and see how well that actually works. But in the meantime, I've got this as well. The other thing I got was, and again, I will put what the price of this was in the video when I'm editing. Then I got this raw sugar hand sanitizer. It's watermelon and aloe vera. It comes in this bottle. This was the first thing I smelled when I opened the bag. It has a really nice watermelon smell. My only complaint is, I don't know how well you can see in the video, but it's not quite filled to the top. So that was a little disappointing. But other than that, I'm happy. All right, that was a good glam bag, especially for a bag that you don't really get to make many choices for, just one choice. So, but I felt like it was good, and I like the bag that it comes in. It's got this nice little ring here, and it's nice. All right, let's move on to the Glam Bag Plus. Now the Glam Bag Plus comes in a drawstring bag, and it comes in this blue one again. Same theme, obviously, so this is Dream It. And let's go ahead and pull out the card in here. Now this subscription, the Glam Bag Plus, is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and you get to pick 3 of your 5 full-size products. So the choices aren't always great. And I've been finding that a lot lately. So even though you get to pick 3 of your 5 items, sometimes you're still really limited with what you're picking from. So, but there's just still, to have the option of picking is good regardless. So now, before we get into the bag, let me just talk about the third subscription that they're coming out with. They're gonna have the Glam Bag X, and this is gonna start next month in February. This will be $55 a month, and I believe it replaces your Glam Bag Plus for that month. So you are charged the balance. You're charged for your Glam Bag Plus, which is the $25, and then you're charged the balance to make the $55 for the Glam Bag X. Now this one should come, it says next month, let Hollywood's hottest makeup artist deliver 8 of his favorite products and most coveted brands, worth up to $428 straight to you. And this one is going to be curated by Patrick Ta. So I'm excited to see what we get. And I think with this you still get to pick, yes. So your 8 full-size products, you pick 3 of the 8 full-size products. So we'll see. All right, that's coming in February. Now the theme for this one is still Dream It. This comes with a card as well, but they don't really have, yeah, so inside this they have beauty resolutions for your sign. So anyway, if you want to look at those, you can freeze your screen and look at those to see what your sign is. Let's look into this bag. Now, I did get to pick my 3. I don't remember what 3 I picked. I just remember I was not happy with the choices. So, first thing, this is Like Butter. This is from Dorian Renaud, and it's a cleanser, makeup remover cleanser, full size. So, happy to have this. Comes with a safety seal, which is good. So I won't take it off yet because I have other cleansers that are open. But I'm curious as to what the smell is like with this. And then we have this Laura Geller, New York, Quench and Tint Hydrating Foundation. And you did get to pick your shade. I think they had like a choice of like fair, light, medium, dark, like that kind of a thing. So I only have a couple of foundations, so I'm excited to try and see what this is like. Again, it's got a safety seal, which is good. So, then you know what? Maybe I can, because I only have a couple, I can go ahead and take let me swatch this and see if the color is close to what I would actually need. So, ooh, it's coming out, it comes out much darker than it looks in the, well, I guess not, but anyway. So when I put it on my hand, this is what it looks like. Let's rub it in and see if it blends in nicely. You know what? I think that's actually a good match for me. When I rub it in, yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, well, this light isn't the best, but I think that'll work. So I'm happy for that. Next thing we have in here is, this is by Wander Beauty, and this is a brow pencil. Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. So, Wander Beauty, here we go. I don't really use pencil for my brows. I like to use the brow gel or the brow liquids with the spoolie. But I know that this does have the one side is, you know, one side's the pencil, like that's the pencil side. It's got the retractable pencil there. And then the other side is the spoolie. So, let's see here. Yeah. And then the other side would be the spoolie. So, I'll hold on to this and see how I can work with this. I'm not really one for like drawing in individual hairs because I have good eyebrows. I just like to make sure that my eyebrows lie down flat. And I don't know if you can really notice on the camera, but like the ends of the eyebrows, I like to fill those in a little bit more because it gets kind of thinner on the outside. So let's move on to, we've got 2 more items. Next we've got the Beauty for Real mascara. And I do have I got a sample size of a Beauty for Real liquid lipstick, I believe, in like a nude or neutral shade, I think. And I really like it, so I'm hoping that I'll like the mascara just as much. Last but not least, this is Kate Somerville Goat Milk moisturizing cream. Excuse me, moisturizing cream. And this, I'm excited for too. You can never have too many cream moisturizers. Comes in a nice little lavender bottle, and so it's just, you know, it's just the typical cream. It's got a very mild scent to it, which is good because I have been really reacting to scented products lately, especially if they're floral scented. So I usually do okay with like fruity scents, but spicy and floral scents have just been wreaking havoc on my allergies. So this is good. I like that it's not very scented. Okay, so that will do it for my Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. What did you guys think? Did you think both bags were decent bags? Did you like one better than the other? Now I know you're getting full sizes versus sample sizes, but based on products, not necessarily size, which bag do you think was a better bag? Let me know in the description, no, in the comments below. And yeah, that'll do it for me. So thank you for watching, and I hope everybody is staying happy, staying healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.